Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're ice fishing on this pond and we just found a baby turtle. You guys see him? Look at him.
Under the ice.
Under the ice. He is so crazy. I wonder how long he's been in there. Look at it.
Did you just look at it?
Well, you just look at it. Okay, on to the next things that we can find.
Okay, that's our video.
Here on the ice we find crazy things.
So, guys, we're making another video. And I just found a baby turtle.
I
And
did.
then I found a mama turtle.
My dad found the mama turtle, I think.
Yeah.
That's my dad with an auger. Where'd he go? Where'd the baby turtle go, Dad?
The baby turtle got
Oh, it's fast.
Yeah.
Is that him? No.
No, that ain't him.
Right there.
There he is.
You see him again? Hello, turtle.
I don't get how they're breathing.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah, well, he's gone.
There's got to be air pockets on the bottom.
He's a painted turtle, too, so swimmable. I'm going to go look at the big turtle. And then over here we found a big one. They're also called red-eared sliders or something like that.
Yeah, there's a big
See
one.
him?
And I just
That's the big turtle. And he was right there and we drilled, but he went over there. Because he's a freaking idiot. We were trying to save him. I love pond. Alright, I'll catch up to you guys later. Okay, we're going back to where we are fishing. I'm not. What is that? Oh, that's a bobber. Bobber.
Got another turtle?
Where?
Nope.
That's a rock. Looks like a turtle.
That is a turtle.
No, that's a rock. Let's ice skate. Holy crap. Run.
Oh, like that.
I didn't like it either.
That's a little scary.
Yeah. You know where we haven't went? Is over there. That's where we all started. But my stuff's over here. Braxton, let's go check our stuff.
Oh, my port's all over.
Okay, guys. Back to where we're fishing. Some my setup.
Check yours.
Yep. Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, well, let's leave him there for now.
Let's look what mine looks like.
Feel how hard he is. Feel how hard that worm is, probably. Hard?
No.
Oh, wow. We'll drop him in.
There we go.
But let's start looking. Oh, crap. If I don't fall over again.
Yeah. That's good.
The same with you, Braxton. When I was over there trying to drill that hole. I've seen you a couple times already. It's really snowy over here.
There.
I want to fish over here, though. I think this would be a good spot. Just this summer, we were at this pond catching bass. And now we're trying to ice fish.
Did you get on?
Just walking around. Alright, guys, that will conclude this video. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was a short one. I just saw that turtle, think it'd be interesting. Like that one. Dad, say goodbye to the vlog.
Goodbye there, Corey's video vlog.
Peace out.